Today I'm working with this, it's all pretty much the same, zip strip paint and finish remover. And I want you to look at the word that says danger. I've poured a little bit on a Playtex glove, poured a little bit in parchment paper, poured a little bit in nitrile glove, and I poured a little bit into this synthetic rubber glove, and it's already, this stuff is already starting to eat up this glove. I'll have to find out the make of this glove, so evidently it's not real rubber. It says 100% polyester, nitrile coated. So when you're looking for gloves, don't get the polyester, because it's heating up the nitrile and getting under it and getting into that polyester. Okay, we're back to the Playtex gloves, and Playtex are holding up very well. They seem to be doing okay. It is melting. It is melting the outside layer. It must be the nitrile, because they say they're nitrile coated. Okay, the nitrile gloves, oh boy, it just burned a hole plumb through there. So don't use nitrile gloves. While we're waiting, I just put some in a plastic bag. Of course, the bag's holding up fine. I mean, it's supposed to be, plastic is supposed to be fine if you need to set something on plastic, so we're okay with that. And then I set some inside this hard plastic. Oh boy, yeah, it's got this stuff pretty hot. Feels like it's fixing to burn through. So I wouldn't use any. I mean, it seems to be holding it okay. I pushed pretty hard. So I'm saying it looks like hard plastic's okay. That's just to lay your work on while you're using a paint strip or whatever you're doing with it. I haven't a clue. Well, there you have it. By golly, Playtex, nitrile coated, nitrile, plastic bag, which, you know, plastic drop cloth, and then some kind of hard plastic. So, but from what I heard, what I've understand from the manufacturer, you can use a plastic drop cloth underneath your work. They say it'll work fine. Alrighty, well, good luck on your projects.